So yung source talaga ng ating data from the trial balance is of course yung general ledger. Because dito nakasummarize na yung mga account titles, yung mga transactions, and of course, yung balance. So i-record natin, unang step is yung account title isusulat natin. So i-check ninyo, ano ba yung mga account titles na may mga balanse. So kagaya na to cash, may balance siya na 18,981. Ayan, so ito cash. So isusulat nyo lang dito sa trial balance. Ayan. Account title. So yung una is cash. So yung balance niya ng cash is, ayan, kita nyo, 18,981.67. So dito nyo ilalagay, ayan, cash, and then debit, 18,981. 18,981. Accounts receivable. Ayan, accounts receivable, 1,000. 1,000. So, ganun lang. Isulat lang natin lahat yung may balanse. So, i-add natin. So, ilalagay natin dito. 24,050. So, balanse yung ating total ng ating debit and the credit. So, i-double rule natin. Ibig sabihin, that is balanse and the final. Ayan. Double rule.